students, welcome to Vidya Mirar. This video is made for class 7th on chapter number 2 fractions and decimal, and today we are going to do exercise 2.6 of NCERT. Let's begin with question number 1. Now here if you see, all the questions are of multiplication with the decimals in it. So what you have to do is, first of all, ignore the decimals and multiply the numbers normally. Like you have 0.2 multiplied by 6, so multiply 2 into 6, that gives you 12. Now count how many decimal places were there in the question. 0.2 means after the decimal there was only one place, so there is only one decimal place. In the answer, what I will do is, I will start from my right and move towards left. So 12, I will start from 2 and go backwards, or I will start from one's place, count one place and put the decimal. So 2 is the one place and there will be then decimal. So answer is 1.2. Next, 8 multiplied by 4.6. Simply multiply 8 into 46, that gives you 368. How many decimal places were there? Only one place, that is 6 were 4.6. After the decimal, only 6 is there, that is only one digit, one place is this. So what I will do is, how will I put the decimal now in the answer? My answer was 368. I will start from 8, only one place, put the decimal and write the remaining numbers, that is 36. So your answer comes to 36.8. Third part. 2.71 multiplied by 5. Ignore decimal. So 271 multiplied by 5 gives you 1355. How many decimal places were there in this? 2 decimal places. See, after the decimal there was 7 and 1. There are 2 digits, so 2 decimal places. Now I will count 2 decimal place from my right and move towards the left. So what is the place, the rightmost number? 5. Again 5 it is there, so 2 digits is over. Put the decimal and write the remaining number, that is 13. So my answer is 13.55. Next, 20.1 into 4. So 201 into 4 gives you 804. How many decimal place? Only 1. So I will start with 4. Only 1 is over. Put a decimal and write the remaining number. The answer is 80.4. Fifth part, 0.05 multiplied by 7 gives you 5 into 7, 35. How many places were there of decimal? 2. After the point there is 0 and 5, 2 decimal places. I will start from 5 in the answer. 5 one place, 3 second place, put a decimal. Nothing is there more in the left hand side, so I will simply put 0. So your answer is 0.35. Sixth part, 211.02 multiplied by 4. So remove decimal, multiply it, you will get 84408. How many places were there? 2 places. So start from your right, 8, second place 0, put a decimal and write the remaining number. So your answer is 844.08. Last part, 2 multiplied by 0.86. So what is 2 into 86? 172. How many places? 2 places. So 2 and 7, 2 places. Put a decimal, write 1. Your answer is 1.72. Question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters. So we should know the area of rectangle, that is length into breadth. So simply we will multiply 5.7 multiplied by 3. So first multiply 57 into 3, that comes to 171, and then see how many decimal places are there in 5.7, only 1. So see that in 171, start looking from your right side and move towards your left side, count one place and put a decimal. So in that case decimal will come between 7 and 1. Your answer comes to 17.1 centimeters square. Therefore, the required area given is 17.1 centimeters. Question number 3. Now here if you see, all are multiplied with zeros or tens or hundreds or thousands. Now trick over here is, in the case of multiplication, whenever we have to put the decimal or whenever tens or hundreds are there, just see how many zeros are there which you are multiplying. If 1 0 is there, then move one step ahead. If 2 zeros are there, then move 2 steps towards your right. Now here, for example, you have 1.3 multiplied by 10. So that means how many zeros? 1 0. Move right. After 3 you will put decimal. So after 3 nothing is there. 13 is the only number. So you move the decimal one step towards right. So it will become 13.0. So instead of writing that, we can only write 13. 36.8 multiplied by 10. So one step right. So that is 368.0. No need to write 0.0 towards the right. So answer will be 368. 153.7 multiplied by 10. How many zeros? 1. So how many steps? 1. What is the answer? 1537. Next, 168.07 multiplied by 10. Now there are two digits. See, 0 and 7. How many places I need to move towards right? Only one step or one place. So decimal will come 1680.7. Okay. Next is 31.1 multiplied by 100. Now you have two zeros. That means you will move 2 steps towards the right. So my number is 311. Will I stop here? No. I will add 0 here because I have to move 2 steps ahead. 156.1 multiplied by 100. So again I have to move 2 steps towards the right. But there is only one digit 1 to move. So I will put 0 in head. 15610 as my answer. Next, 3.62 multiplied by 100. How many steps? 2 steps. 0.62. That is also 2 steps. So what is my answer? 362. 43.07 multiplied by 100. Again 2 steps towards the right. 0 and 7. 2 steps are there. So my answer is 4307. 0.5 multiplied by 10. How many steps? Only one step. So only 5 is your answer. One step is there, 5 with me. So 5 is my answer. Next, 0.08 multiplied by 10. How many steps I should move? One step. But how many digits I have? 2 digits. So where will the decimal? Between 0 and 8. So my answer is 0.8. Next is 0.9 multiplied by 100. How many steps I need to move? 2 steps. But how many digits I have? Only 1. So what should I do? I will put 0 with the number. So that is 90. Next is 0.03 multiplied by 1000. How many steps I need to move now? 3 steps. But how many digits do I have? I have only 2 digits with me. But I need to move 3 times. So it will be, answer will be 30, or I will write it as 030. Answer comes to 30. Question number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So what does it mean? For 1 liter they are telling how much kilometers? 55.3 kilometers. Now I have how many liters? 10 liters. So that means will the kilometers be more or less? It will be definitely more. So 55.3 multiplied by 10. Now 10 is 10. How many steps I need to move towards the right? One step only. And I have one digit only. So what is my answer? 553 kilometers. Question number 5. Again here we have to multiply. Same rule we will apply. We will simply multiply the two numbers. Just count the decimal places in both the numbers and then put the decimal in your answer. For example, you have 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. Let's see how many decimal places. For 2.5, 1 place. For 0.3 also 1 place. What is 1 plus 1? 2 decimal places. Okay, keep it to your rough side. Now multiply 25 into 3 only. 25 into 3 is 75, and I need to put decimal after two places. So 5 and 7 and then point. Nothing is there, so put 0. So what is your answer? 0.75. Next, 0.1 multiply by 51.7. So how many decimal places? 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places. Now what is 1 multiply by 517? It is total 517. Where will the decimal come? Count from 7, 7 and 1 and then put decimal. Your answer is 5.17. Third part, 0.2 multiply by 316.8. Multiply first 2 into 3168 gives you 6336. How many decimal places were there? 2. From where should I count? Right or left? I should always start counting from my right and move towards the left. So 6 and 3 and put a decimal. 1.3 multiply by 3.1. Now what should I do here? 13 multiply by 31. Well, it is 403. From where should I count? 3 and 0 and then put a decimal. 0.5 multiply by 0.05. So 5 into 5 is 25. But here if you see, in 0.5 1 decimal place, in 0.05 2 decimal places are there. Total is 3 places. But I have only 2 digits and I have to move towards my left. So 5, 2, put 0 and then put decimal. 11.2 multiply by 0.15. So how many decimal places? 1 plus 2, 3 decimal places. Your answer comes to 1.680. Next, 1.07 multiply by 0.02. So how many decimal places? First 2 places, second also 2 places, total 4 places. So 107 multiply by 2 is 214. I have only 3 digits with me, but I have to put decimal counting 4 digits. So start from 4, 1, 2, put 0 and then put decimal. So your answer is 0.0214. Next, 10.05 multiply by 1.05. How many decimal places? 2 plus 2, 4. Keep it to one side. Multiply 1005 with 105. You will get 105525. How many decimal places we had? 4. So start counting from 5. 5, 2, 5, 5. 4 places over. Put a decimal and then write the remaining number. So your answer is 10.5525. Next, 101.01 multiply by 0.01. Again we have 4 decimal places. Let's multiply 10101 multiply by 1. That will be same. Just count from your right. 1, 0, 1, 0. 4 places over. Put a decimal and write the remaining. That is 1. So answer is 1.0101. The last one. 100.01 multiply by 1.1. How many decimal places? 3. I need to multiply 10001 multiply by 11. This gives you 11, 00, 11. So how many places? 3 places. Count from 1, 1, then 0, then decimal and remaining 0, 1, 1. So your answer is 110.011. So here we finish exercise 2.6. This was quite easy. Please do lots of practice. Try to do it on your own and then see whether you have understood the concept or not. Very soon I am going to come with exercise 2.7. Till then, see you. Goodbye.